In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix chess.com if it's not working in the 2025 full guide. We've all been there, eager to play a thrilling game of chess, but the website just won't cooperate. Fear not, because I'm here to help you get back on track quickly and easily. Let's begin with the very first thing you should check, which is your internet connection. Sometimes the simplest issues can cause the most frustration. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet source. You can try restarting your modem or router, or connecting to a different network to see if that solves the issue. Next, let's address any glitches within your app or browser by restarting it. This might seem like a basic step, but closing and reopening your browser or the chess.com app can often resolve temporary issues or bugs. Give it a try before moving on to more technical solutions. Now we're going to dive into your settings. Clearing your cache and cookies is an important step that can solve many problems with website loading and functionality. Most browsers have an easy option to do this. Go into your browser settings, find the section for privacy or history, and clear your cache and cookies. This will remove any outdated files that could be causing problems with chess.com. Another crucial step is to make sure your browser or app is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Check for any available updates either through your system's app store or directly within the app or browser options. Install any updates, then try accessing chess.com again. If you're still experiencing troubles, consider disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers, as they can occasionally interfere with website functionality. You can find these extensions in your browser settings, typically under a section like add-ons or extensions. Simply disable them and see if chess.com loads properly. Sometimes the issue might be specific to the browser or device you're using. If that's the case, try opening chess.com in a different browser or use another device entirely. This will help you determine if the problem is localized to one particular setup. Finally, if none of these steps resolve your problem, it's time to reach out for additional help by contacting chess.com support. You can visit support.chess.com for assistance. They have a dedicated team ready to help you tackle whatever issues you may be facing. Chess.com customer support is very responsive and happy to assist their users, so don't hesitate to contact them. That's our comprehensive guide to fixing problems with chess.com not working. Hopefully, these steps have helped you resolve the issue and you're now ready to make your next move on the board. Thank you for watching and happy playing!